Hello, my name is Eric Lozano, and I'm the designer of this app. I'm an architect and a graphic designer, and a little bit about myself. I have been always interested on design and to find the creative side of everything that I do. Here on my side is Juan Garza, that is my cousin and my partner, and he's going to introduce himself.
Hi, as my cousin just said, I'm Juan Garza. I studied computer science engineering. Since I was little, I was always curious about how things work. Also, I wanted to improve how these things work for making life easier for other people that use all this technology. Now, my cousin is going to explain how the idea came from.
Where it's very simple. I had a summer job on Vancouver. I used to work as a driver on a local fruit company. We used to do deliveries around Vancouver on fruit stands, supermarkets, and local markets. And I came up with idea because the dynamic of my work was that I received the information and the location of each delivery by the morning by message. And a couple of times during the day, I received several calls from my boss asking me what was my process, where I was, and a couple of more things that I had to do. And it was sometimes it was very confusing because I had to write it down everything on a paper, and or I have to switch between applications, between WhatsApp and between Google Maps. And later on, like 1 year later, I start talking with Juan about developing a new app, and I explained to him my idea, and we start working. And I think we have a good solution, and Juan is going to talk about it.
Well, once I heard about Eric's problem, we started making some mockups and we came out with the idea of Tasking. Well, Tasking is an application that lets its users assign tasks that requires allocation, time. As well, the manager is going to be able to view at real time where all their taskers are. And all this is going to be a real improvement because the manager is going to know exactly which is the progress of each task.
So, in simple words, the user interface is going to work as simple as this. You have your contact list, you add a tasker you want to do the task, then you write whatever you want him to do or her, like go and fix, go and pay, go and wash, deliver, pick up, or whatever you want it. Then you can add the information, like if they are picking up some boxes or something, you can add uh, you have to pick up 10 boxes of strawberries, 5 boxes of cherries, or if you are an air conditioned company, you can add little details about the installation or the people that they are going to receive yourself, and and then you add the time, like 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you add a date, and then you send the task, and then you have to wait until your tasker accepts your task, and then their location start sharing with you, and you can know the process of the task and know when it's done. And we're gonna use geofences that they are going to help us to know when the people are in or around, or when they are out of the location that you require them to be. Being good.
Besides all that, we already have a prototype and we also start coding and making designs that will be out for production. We hope that by December. If you have any more questions, we'll be happy to answer them, and also we can send you the prototypes that we have done so far. Well, thanks for your time. This is Eric and Juan. And
Thank
it
you.
was a pleasure.
Saludos desde México.